Question 23. A. N is an integer, so n is always a whole number. Explain why 2n plus 1 is an odd number. So what I mean by this is you need to show that every time you try and put in a different integer for n, it's always going to be an odd number. So let's start off with the first value for n that we can substitute in, which is 2n. We change n with 1, so 2 times 1 plus 1, what does it give us? It gives us 2 times 1 is 1, plus 1 gives us 3. We can try again, so 2 times the next number we could try is 2 plus 1, and 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So explain why it's always odd, because 2 times by any integer would be an even number, and then any even number plus 1 would always be an odd number. So 2n will always be even, so 2n plus 1 will always be odd. Part 2. Write down an algebraic expression for the next odd number after n plus 1. So that would simply be 2n. The next odd number after 1 is 3. Part B. Use algebra to show that the sum of two consecutive odd numbers will always be a multiple of 4. So let's show an example. So the first odd number with a good example to start with, plus the next odd number, which we've shown as well. We collect those together, we end up with 4n plus 4, and we can show that 4 is always a factor of this, so it means that it would always be a multiple of 4, so n plus 1 multiplied by 4. Here we go.